Um, Hindi ako mapakali mula pa kanina nung nalaman ko yung balita. I don't wanna parang dwell on the reason, the act itself. Rest in peace, Emma Nachenza, Kuya Kim, Ate Felicia. Rest in peace, Emma Nachenza, Kuya Kim, Ate Felicia. If you can watch my video, I'm extending my sincerest and deepest sympathies to you and your family. Hindi ako mapakali mula pa kanina nung nalaman ko yung balita. I don't wanna parang dwell on the reason, the act itself. I just wanna say, if ever you are watching this and you have a problem, you have something that you're going through, find an advocate, speak to somebody, air it out, and if you can't, whatever form of expression that you're happy or comfortable with, do that. May it be painting, fashion, traveling, whatever it is that sparks joy, do exactly that. And I want you to know that whatever it is, that you are not your pain, you are not defined by whatever problem or difficulty that you have in your life right now. There is always somebody who is here to help you out, kung hindi man in a manner that is on a professional level, but just a warm body to spend some time with and be a soundboard na you can bounce off thoughts with. Take your mental health seriously, guys. Siguro that's why I came on board. Yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin. Love yourself, take care of yourself, okay? And don't be afraid to ask for help. Ingat po.